Welcome back everyone, Killer NC here, and today we're going to take a quick look at the JSVER 13-inch laptop sleeve. Let's go. Alright, so if you guys watched my previous videos, I have a couple accessories that I've purchased for my MacBook Pro. So that is the Alki hub and the G Drive 4TB external hard drive. So I know I needed something to carry that in. I can't have that with my laptop. And I also needed a laptop sleeve. So I think I found the correct combination. And that is the JSVER laptop sleeve. And it also brings the separate compartment for the accessories. I purchased this for $12.99. I will go ahead and leave links in the description in case you guys are interested. Please go ahead and check them out. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. So this is the laptop that we're gonna be using. All right, it brings a little zipper here. So I don't have to get out my trusty knife. I'm not sure what material this is. I don't believe it's leather, at least not for the price, but nice compliment. All right, so it has some Velcro there to go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and turn it to the side. And here's the extra accessory that I told you guys about to put all your external components. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. You know, it's not that big, but it should fit, you know, the few accessories that I have. You know, most of them don't even bring this. You have to purchase a separate one. So this came together. I'm not going to complain. Okay. Got the JSVER branding on the side. Nice flannel feel to it. So let's go ahead and put my G drive in here. Okay. And then I have my Alki. And there you have it. Fits perfectly. All right. And those are pretty much my top two. Everything else, I can actually use one of the compartments on the sleeve, which is something else that a lot of them don't have, compartments. All right. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. All right, so we begin with, see what else we have in here. We have the JSVER guaranteed quality with 18 months warranty. Put that there. And if we can see, inside we have this nice soft fabric. So real good. So it's not going to scratch your laptop at all. Then we have another compartment here. And this is going to be for an iPad, another tablet, anything, you know, your phone, if you need to put your phone in here. Okay. I don't have my iPad with me, or I'd put it in here. So that's cool. You can carry your MacBook and your tablet with the same sleeve. Go ahead and close that up. See what else we have. All right. Then we have two little compartments here. Okay. Now this is going to be for your IDs, your wallets, your earphones, any kind of card. So nothing bulky, nothing heavy, but pretty cool in the back. You can barely tell that they're there. So another quick little extra that most sleeves did not bring. Okay, and they cost even more. All right, so that's a quick look at the JSVER 13-inch laptop sleeve. Like I stated, I will have links in the description. If you're interested, please check them out. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.